The West Texas Intermediate crude oil market has done almost nothing during the trading session as we continue to dance around the same area that we have been in previously. The 200-day EMA sits just above, just as the 50-day EMA sits just below. Ultimately, this is a market that cannot seem to get its direction together, and therefore we simply go back and forth. There are concerns about demand, which of course is going to be an issue if we are going to have multiple economies around the world starting to slow down or even lock down. On the other hand, we also have an oversupply issue. The one thing that may send this market higher is the idea of stimulus. OPEC Plus is meeting today. The Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee will hold an online reunion to check whether all the OPEC Plus country members comply with the output cut policy that the committee's main objective and function normally. No new decisions are expected before OPEC Plus next meeting on December 1. However, there is a certainty that the likelihood of easing the cut in the year is very low. Primarily, that's because of the second wave of COVID-19, which keeps the demand outlook in a gray area. In addition to that, Libya is reported to be increasing its output that was previously reduced to minimum levels due to the military and political unrest in the country. Therefore, expect to see strict guidelines from the side of OPEC Plus, which will make sure the cuts are there to put firm ground to the price of oil. For us, it means it may be dropping from time to $36 as it did 2 weeks ago, but lower than that, OPEC Plus will try to let that happen. A logical question related to the oil market is how a potential change of the US president will affect oil price. Most observers agree that, if something will change, that will be stability. With Joe Biden, it is expected to be higher. That is not because of specific points on his agenda related to oil, but rather due to the general change of attitude, a steady one. Donald Trump used to move markets, not only oil, with his tweets or comments, sometimes as eccentric as short. Joe Biden seems to be more emotionally mature, if that may be ascribed to the manner a politician behaves. However, in reality, only time will tell. All we can say for now is that Joe Biden is generally much less into oil than Donald Trump, only that may be enough for the oil price to be more secure.